Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Fit Tuckers. Today we're doing another short circuit workout. So we've just got a bench with a mat here. So what we're going to do is like fast mountain climbers. So we're going to go for 20 seconds and just go straight, fast as we can. Okay, we're going to do that 20 seconds. And then immediately we're going to get down. So we have a weighted ball. You could do barbell, anything. This just works well because it's got handles. So we want to make sure our head is not off the bench because we don't want the blood rushing to our head. So what we're going to do is just do a chest press. We're going to do as many as we can, as fast as we can in 20 seconds. So just straight up, straight up. We'll do that for 20 seconds. So then we're going to do abs. So we're going to hold our legs up. So we're going to come all the way back up, back with the ball. And then we're going to come up, bringing our torso up, keeping our legs up the whole time. But we're going to bring our torso up. So we're coming up, putting that much pressure on our core. So we're going to do 10 of those. So we'll start off with 20 seconds of mountain climbers straight, much as you can. 20 seconds chest press, and then 10 abs. All right, here we go, guys. All right, guys, so there we go. Got 3 rounds in. Good circuit workout. That's what I like to do. That way we hit all the body parts. In case we don't have time to go to the gym 5 times a week. Let's hit all the body parts. Get the heart rate up. Okay, let's get that breathing up there. So we got some core in there. Got a little bit of legs. Got a little bit of chest. Make sure you check out the other videos. And always remember, don't sit, get fit.